At Dorman's Warsaw and Portland distribution centers, operational excellence isn't just a goal, it's a daily commitment. From the moment an order begins, automation and contributor expertise work together to reduce travel, increase precision, and deliver smarter, faster, more reliable solutions.
Our autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, streamline inbound and outbound logistics, reducing travel time and boosting productivity. What once took hundreds of feet of manual transport now happens automatically and continuously. Smaller bots support our team members by handling the heavy lifting, literally. And pickers keep their focus on their zones while robots carry the product to the next destination.
Vertical lift modules bring parts directly to the picker, eliminating unnecessary movement while improving accuracy and overall safety. Laser-guided systems and scan confirmations ensure every part is picked and packed perfectly.
In Portland, our custom-built control arm automation system selects, labels, and packages heavy parts with precision and speed, reducing ergonomic strain and increasing throughput.
At the heart of our Warsaw facility, Jassy, our warehouse execution sortation system, is a game changer for productivity. By clustering orders and automating routing, it's reduced travel per pick by nearly 60%, transforming how efficiently our teams move through the warehouse. That improvement adds up fast. Where contributors once walked the equivalent of 9 trips around the equator each year, they now walk just 3. Less travel, more precision, greater impact.
Behind every innovation is a dedicated team, from distribution specialists, automation technicians, to DC leaders and safety experts, all working together to keep Dorman ahead of the curve.
From reverse logistics to strategic automation in Portland and Warsaw, Dorman's operational excellence is built to serve today and into the future.